She could be here and it could be like,
Shirley Jane.
Because you're here. But that's why like the rods.
Shirley Jane.
Like whenever they were trying.
Hi, my name is Lexi.
She was trying to move them, but obviously he didn't want to communicate with you.
Can you cross for yes?
Rocket.
Can you separate for no? Good job.
Good job. Yep. Doing good, Lexi.
Can you go forward? Thank you. Are you a little girl?
Yes.
Thank you. Can you go forward? Go forward. Good job.
Lexi just said,
Are you okay here?
Are you okay here? She said yes.
Good job. Can you go back?
You have a stronger sense.
Can you take it back straight for me? A little bit more. Good job.
Ask her if she's happy here.
Are you happy here? Do you like being here? Good job. Can you take it back? Take it back to the center. A little bit more. There you go.
Is there something you want her to ask? Nancy wants to know if she came home that night of her disappearance.
Okay. Did you make it home that night that you disappeared?
No.
Okay. Okay. Can you go back to the center? Thank you.
Ask her if she got in a blue car.
Did you see a blue car that day? Okay.
Straight ahead, babe.
Can you go straight ahead? Take it back. A little bit more. You almost got it. Keep going. There you go. Did you get in the blue car that day? Okay, okay.
Ask her if she knew the people in the blue car.
Can you take it back straight ahead for me? Keep going a little bit more. I know. Keep going. Good job. Did you know the blue people, or did you know the people in the blue car that day, Shirley? Remember, cross for yes, separate for no.
No, she's saying no.
Okay, okay, go straight. Thank you.
Ask her if she sees Nancy put flowers for their birthday.
Shirley, do you see Nancy put flowers on your grave for your birthday? You guys share the same birthday.
And this part, ladies, is where you need to be careful. When you're kind of feeding them information, but you're not meaning to. Because if we're talking to somebody other than Shirley, some of the unwanted could be coming through instead. And so if you don't tell it much information, you let them fill it in, is what I'm saying.
Okay. Can you go straight for me again? A little bit more. Keep going.
Ask her to point at Kim. Oh, don't point at me. I'm always in trouble anyway.
Could you point at Becky? Can you go back to the middle for me?
Yep.
A little more.
Or your left hand pointing at Becky.
Perfect.
She was saying you're the one that gets to do the hunt log now.
Wish I asked it.
Can you ask if she was upstairs whenever we were up there as well?
Hold on and show me what all I need to do, and I'll hold it and you do them.
Yeah, I don't want to. I'm good.
I want you to name. I don't want to touch this.
Are you sure? I'll do it.
Yeah.
He's like,
I'm
no, I
good.
don't want
Were you upstairs with us earlier?
I'm not supposed to.
Oh, you got a kickstand tripod. Done that out.
Perfect, thank you. Can you take it back in the middle?
Can she ask if it was Nancy's brother-in-law?
Yeah, so you can ask if
Do you know Nancy?
that if any relative in this room has passed away.
Okay, can you take it back to the middle, please?
Can you ask her if Jamie ever hangs out here with her?
If, Nancy, if you got your strength go back up, honey, you can go back. I just don't like it when I see you trembling and crying. That tells me it's too much.
Okay.
Do you know if Jamie ever hangs out here with you? Is Jamie here?
Yes.
Can you take it back to the middle, please? Thank you.
Do you want to end your session? You done with
Yes.
questions? You gotta tell it you're done.
All right, I'm done. Thank you.
Now you guys say we're ending this session.
We're ending the session.
Closing that door.
Closing the door.
Closing the door.
Becky, are you wanting to?
Uh-uh.